How to start a course in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to start a course on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to start a course, simply tap on to Explore button just right here. Select it. Then here you can find the courses just right here. Now simply choose from one of these just like this. And now here you can find different kinds of courses of the same course. Now tap onto one that you like the most just like this. Then here you can find a lot of subjects and topics about that course. Now choose one just like this. Now from here you can simply start a course by simply learning the lesson 1 from here, and you can simply do the exercise and learn until the end. Now do the same process for other courses as well. And that's it. This is how you can start a course in Khan Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.